In my opinion, there is nothing more sustainable than a building that is built to last. Ozinga has been supplying materials to buildings all across Chicago for over 90 years, and a good portion of the skyline behind me was supplied by Ozinga.
Ozinga has always been an early adapter in new technologies, especially in sustainable technology. There's a certain inherent risk in being first. A lot of people like to be, as they call, fast second. We're never afraid to take on that risk if we believe in it and we believe it's in the best interest of the community. And so we took this technology on and did our homework and did a lot of research in coincidence with CarbonCure. CarbonCure continues to expand, and they do a great job of explaining the technology.
CarbonCure has a technology that introduces recycled CO2 into concrete. So what happens when the CO2 is introduced is that it chemically converts into a mineral, a calcium carbonate mineral, and becomes permanently embedded in the concrete. And this is great for two reasons. First of all, environmentally, we're taking what would otherwise be a greenhouse gas, turning it to a mineral, getting rid of it forever. More importantly, the process actually helps to improve the compressive strength of the concrete, which allows concrete producers like Ozinga here in Chicago to be able to reduce cement content, which means they can provide more sustainable concrete.
Now that we're comfortable with it and we have it in place and have expanded it into multiple locations with the intention of expanding it into more locations, we're really working to tout the benefits of CarbonCure in concrete and the benefits that it offers to engineers, architects, builders, and even concrete contractors in the way of its strength and durability properties.
Chicago has a great initiative underway to improve the environmental footprint of the city. We could see that Mayor Emanuel has really focused on the waterway, which is here, to reduce the pollution in the air, and CarbonCure helps to do that. We're working with Ozinga to reduce the carbon footprint of its concrete in order to help the city achieve its sustainability objectives.
Chicago has always been sort of an architectural epicenter, the architectural epicenter when it comes to building and design as well as sustainability. And any way we can be a part of that opportunity to be able to steward the environment that we're in well, CarbonCure really provides that for us to Chicago. And we believe that this will make Chicago better. This will make Chicago buildings better, Chicago roads better.
Here in Chicago, a lot of architects and engineers have signed on to a pledge called Architecture 2030, which is about reducing the embodied carbon footprint of their buildings. Ozinga, with the CarbonCure technology, is able to help those architects and engineers to reduce their carbon footprint and meet the goals of that challenge.
We really want to take a hard look in following through with our mission in terms of being stewards of the environment that we're in. So we've been able to recycle a lot of our materials back into our concrete, either water or crushed returned concrete. And so we're looking at all these different avenues and how we can be stewards of what we've been given. And we're excited about all the opportunities and the technology that's changing in our world.